Как сообщил корреспондент Информ-Курантов, представители исполкома
Representative of the executive community of the Chechen peoples and the Muslims have announced their acceptance of the sovereignty of the Chechen Republic.
Высший совет Чечено-Ингушетии принял постановление о том, что
The Soviet of the Chechen-Ingush Neighbor Council
повлечет за собой ответственность перед законом Чечено-Ингушской республики.
does not recognize those
Мы
elections.
просим извинения за низкое техническое качество.
We apologize for the low technical quality of the following shots that were done on unprofessional apparatus. Bad weather, political rallies since October 14th in the Chechnya-Ingush area. They are protesting this declaration of independence. Yes, hundreds of armed people during election day were threatening the voters.
Voters
were threatened by military elements during election day in the Chechen-Ingush area, which has recently declared its independence. The majority of voters in the Republic did not vote. The illegal election commission fabricated the election results. The temporary Supreme Soviet appeals to the people. Not a single decree from President Dudayev or the so-called parliament of the Chechen Republic. These do not have any force. They are illegal. Dudayev's opinion was broadcast on TV as he claims that the elections are illegal. The general claims international rights, and what's international representatives in the illegally declared Chechen Republic. There are gunshots fired throughout the Republic, a so-called Republic, and people are forming into militia units, opposition units from the militia of Dudayev. Whereas the Chechen Republic, Dudayev is concerned about his authority, his power.